Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back. I am so glad you are here to spend some time with me. Today we are doing a collaboration. It is Crafting Our Hoard collab with me and my beautiful friend Tiffany. This is where we go into our stash because every crafter has one, and we dig out stuff that we've had for a while to craft with. So check out Tiffany and the rest of the playlist down in the description box. I'll have it listed for you. Let's get crafty. So for the first one, I have this little blue stool, and I got it at the Dollar General on clearance. Oh my goodness, a few years ago. And one of my little filthy feet things was gone, so I'm gonna use my scraper. And y'all, these did not scrape off. I don't know how the one fell off. My presumption is they never put it on there, because there ain't no way that it could have fell off and not left a mark like that, because those were sticky little boogers, and I didn't have one to match it. So I'm gonna scrape and sand and scrape and sand and get them as smooth as I can. And then I'm going to take that cork and put on the bottom. After I get the stickers off, I'm going to take that little finger sander down there. And I'm going to carefully, because I don't want this thing to fall apart, go around here and I'm going to sand it off, and distress it. Now, if you don't like the distressing look, by all means, please don't do it. It's just what I like. It's what sells for me, and this is going in my Whatnot sale on August the 7th. I'll be on there at 10:30, I think. So, yeah, you can, if you want it, you can check me out on there. But sanded it down. I sanded the top off, and I'm glad I sanded the top off, because these are those sticky transfers, right? Okay, so I thought, if these took the paint off, this has already been painted, and it would be okay. Huh. You'll see. Anyways, I'm racking my brain trying to figure out what ones I want on here. I really like that, but I didn't like the feather thingies on there, and I was like, nah. So I got this one right here. It seems to be the best one. Maybe not. I don't know. But anyway, I made sure I wiped that down to get all the dust off. And I am gonna take this transfer. You don't have to rub these. You do just a little. You can rub them with your hand and get them on there. Okay? See? And then I used a scraper. Yes, I did. You didn't have to. And then when I started peeling back, I thought, yay, it's working. Oh, no, it's not. Yeah, look at that. Look what that did. It's really distressed now. All my paint was on that stupid sticky thing. I do not recommend these transfers. If you see any transfers like this, don't get them. Do not get them. Anyway, I took blue paint. I could. That's the only thing I could match it with. And it didn't match very good, but it made it a little blue. It just made me mad. So I'm going to take, and I'm going to add a little more transfers on there, here and there and yonder. And then I already did. And then I'm going to take this Waverly wax, antique wax, and I'm going to go over it. Now, I didn't like how dark it made everything, the blue, so I did wipe it back. And then I darkened it up again, but I'm just going to go down the legs, everywhere I distressed it, and then I'll wipe it all off, except for, it'll be darker in the cracks and crevices, things. Not cracks and crevices, the distress marks. Yeah, see? See what I'm doing? Okay, yeah. So, there it is. And I am not exactly happy with it, but I'm going to give it a couple coats of polyvine before I sell it and seal it all in. Now, the second one, I thought this was cute. This was fun. The last two were really fun. I really love making those, but you'll see in a minute. I'm going to take the wax and I'm going to go around the outside very carefully and scrub that wax into this. edge, not getting it on the tag itself. And I think this tag came from Walmart. I'm almost positive. And then I'm going to paint that white. Okay. So there it is. Now these are just stickers that I got from Hobby Lobby. I had them to put in mini frames. And so I had some left. And I'm just going to stick these on here. And I'm going to make a cow collage. Cow collage tag. Okay. These things are so hard to get off. I have to use the smallest of the pokey tools, or you can use a needle or whatever to get these off, but they are so hard to get off. So I'm going to start collaging my cows down. Okay. I'm just going to stick them here and there and yonder and get them on there. And then I will seal that with a few coats of polyvine as well. This video is not long because this is just easy peasy sticking. Okay, that's it. Just basic sticking. Alrighty, there's my cow stuck down, and I got a Dollar Tree jute ribbon from my stash and just tied that around to hang it. So this has been in my stash for a good long time. Okay, I mean a good long time. 100 years? Yeah, maybe. I don't know. But I took this and I wanted something, you know, to back it, and I had this burlap that I had printed. I just wasted this piece of burlap, y'all. So I traced this on the burlap and cut it out. But did I use it? No, because I couldn't see through the glass. So I put a black piece of paper in the back, and yeah, you'll see. So there is the one that I cut, and it's pretty. I think it's neat. It looks like a cork board. And then I've got these bee and honey transfers. And this is just beautiful for your kitchen for the fall or whatever. So I'm going to make a bee collage on the glass. And it's going to be beautiful. Okay, so I wanted the background of the burlap because it looked better with, I think, the black and burlap, because I'm not painting the frame. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna I thought I broke my glass just then when I dropped them scissors, but this is what I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. I know I'll get it. I just get ahead of myself. My brain don't work like it should. It's my mouth is faster or something, I don't know. But anywho, I'm gonna pick out pictures here, and I'm gonna do 2 frames like this, but the next frame's gonna be different. But I'm just picking out, you know, things to collage on here. And y'all, this came out so stinking pretty. Okay, so pretty. So all I'm gonna do is peel them and stick them. Look, oh my gosh, this is the final reveal already. Look at it. I had so much fun collaging this thing, just putting stuff here and there and everywhere, and the black looks so much better. It just made the design pop. Okay, now that is the other one, and that is a gold frame. Now I'm fixing to tone that gold down before I sell it because it is awful. And then I had to raise it up some because it fell down in there, so I fixed it. But anyway, that's the second one. I think they're just cute, but I'm going to darken that gold. And then there's my little cow tag. Ain't it adorable? My daughter would have a fit for this. And then there is my beautiful little stool. It was a pain in the butt. There's the little cork things on the bottom. And then there's that. And I got to seal it still. It's really, really shiny, but I'll seal it. But it's not so bad after I darkened it. But it still makes me so aggravated. I don't even know. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. You are a blessing. You guys truly are my blessings. And I do appreciate you. I want you to know that. Check out the playlist in the description box. And my beautiful host and friend, Tiffany. Okay? Bye.